As Christians across the globe are congregated to commemorate the crucifixion and death of Jesus Christ, church leaders from various denominations have urged leaders to be responsible in their messaging and prioritize citizens' welfare ahead of the 2027 general election. Anglican Church of Kenya's Archbishop Jackson Olesipit has encouraged sacrifice among Christians in his Good Friday message. Winfrey Obino with the details.
The hallowed halls of All Saints Cathedral echoed with solemn hymns and scripture this morning as Christian faithful gathered for the Good Friday liturgy. In a departure from tradition, members of the clergy processed without their full vestments, a symbolic gesture of mourning the death of Jesus Christ. Presiding over the service, ACK Archbishop Jackson Olesipit delivered a sermon centered on the importance of service and faith, drawing parallels between Abraham's test in sacrificing his son and the ultimate sacrifice at Calvary. Sapit challenged Kenyans to look beyond self-interest.
As we march to 2027, which is our election year, our call to all our leaders is to empty themselves for the people of Kenya, sacrifice for this nation. We are seeing politics of self-preservation, self-actualization. That's not the way of Jesus. The way of Jesus is self-emptying for the sake of others. Not about me, not about self. It is giving, and it is in giving that we receive.
The call for restraint resonated across the city. Along Gong Road, a commemorative procession by the Salvation Army brought traffic to a standstill, not just with prayer, but with a stern warning to the political class.
Hata kama unatafuta kiti cha MP, tafuta kwa amani. Na ikiwa sasa hivi leo, kuna mtu amekutendea hila, fanya kama Yesu Kristo anasema, wasamehe.
Kwa viongozi wa serikali, tuweze kuwakumbuka maskini, jinsi Bwana amebeba taabu zetu.
Nawaambia viongozi wetu watushike mikono, waache kuweka maneno ya matusi kwa midomo zao.
They further cautioned leaders against the use of abusive or divisive language to push their agendas, terming it contrary to moral values and religious teachings. Winfrey Obino, KTN.
Now, as Kenyans marked Good Friday, President William Ruto rallied Kenyans to hold on to hope, unity,